Oh,
Gearing
Chrissy, yeah, we are gearing up. I'm putting on my gardening gloves, okay? Because check this out. It is butterfly season, and Luke Sims from Armstrong Garden is here to tell us how we can attract butterflies to our garden. Because, well, first of all, tell me, why do we want butterflies in our garden?
So we want butterflies in our garden because they come and they pollinate our plants and our vegetables. Not only are they beautiful, but they're very beneficial for the ecosystem.
Oh, I love it. And
Yes.
if your garden looks anything like this is welcome to my garden here. This is beautiful. Look at how bright these flowers are.
I know.
And so if we want to attract butterflies to our garden, what do we need? What can we attract them
So
with?
most importantly, they need food. So
Okay.
flowers are food for butterflies.
Sure.
And when you plant, you want to do things like orange, red, yellow. Those are the most attractive colors for
So those
butterflies.
colors, so they can, okay, so they can see those colors, okay.
Yes, so things like marigolds, pentas, dahlias, zinnias are all great attractants.
Yeah.
Another really important thing is the milkweed. This is the host plant for the monarch caterpillar. So
Interesting.
the babies will only eat this plant, so it's pretty integral that we have this in our garden for them to munch on.
Okay, say that one more. It's the milkweed?
Milkweed, yes.
Milkweed, okay, so you've got to have this if you want butterflies in your garden,
Right.
essentially, right?
Right.
Okay, what else? We have shelter, water, sunlight. What about all that good stuff?
So shelter is also very important. They shelter in your little plants and your shrubs in your garden.
Yeah.
So you want big flowering shrubs so they can nestle in there and crystallize and turn into butterflies.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
sounds
yeah.
so beautiful when you say it. We always like see the end product, right? But there is a process.
Right.
Okay. So, and then if we want to keep these butterflies coming along, do we need to keep planting more
We
vibrant
need to keep
flowers,
planting.
or?
If we can get a planted up flower pot on every doorstep in San Diego, that would be really beneficial for the butterflies.
And is that pretty easy to do?
It's pretty easy to do. Let me
Okay,
show you how.
I'm
So
gonna
we're
help
just going to take some of these marigolds.
Okay.
We're going to work them in the front here. So you
Work
just take
it?
them, yeah, work it in there.
Oh, look at me planting.
Right.
My mom would be so proud. So more?
We'll stick
Ooh.
some white back here.
Oh, I like that. And you said the yellows, right, are popular?
Yep, the yellows,
Okay.
oranges,
Now, where am I gonna
reds.
put
Just
this?
stick it in there. Stick it
Okay.
right there in the middle.
Here we go. Did I do that
And
right?
if you really pack it in there, the butterflies love color. They're attracted to big clumps of color.
Oh, clumps of color.
Yes.
And then I like that. What is this called?
This is a dahlia.
The
and
dahlia.
That's the showstopper right there.
Yes, it is. And it's because it's so large.
Right.
How about fragrance? Because we, coming in, I was
Right.
saying how these right here, these purple, these fuchsia looking and purple flowers, they smell so good.
They smell great, and again, they're attractive to butterflies. Kids love to come and smell them, and
Yeah.
kids love butterflies too. We're doing a class tomorrow, June 1st at 2 p.m. at all Armstrongs in Southern California.
Got it. Okay.
I mean, how many times have you seen a little kid take off after a
I
monarch,
I love this. Okay, we have the information right on the screen here. So we're talking
Yes.
about the Butterfly Celebration Weekend. This
Yes.
is tomorrow and Sunday. These are free classes. So all Armstrong Garden Center stores, right?
Yes.
Will have this, but you have to RSVP. Is that
Yes.
like you have to, or is it just
You
recommended?
don't have to, but it really helps us out if you do. You can go to armstronggarden.com
Okay.
And sign up for you and your kids.
Okay, Butterfly Celebration Weekend, okay? Bring the kids like you said.
Yep.
If you want more information, you just go to our website, fox5sandiego.com, click the Scene On tab. Lastly, before you go,
Yes.
look at these pretty, okay.
Petunias.
Petunias.
would've known?
And I was just telling Luke, on my way out, Chris, that I'm starting to see a lot more purple flowers, which I love because I love purple, and I'm just like,
Yeah.
do you look?
All those colors put you in a good mood.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Luke. Thank you.
Thanks for having me,
Chris,
Kristina.
I'll send it back to you.